Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create work schedules using Monday.com. We're going to start from a blank workspace and, in just a few clicks, spin up a ready-made board that's perfect for planning shifts and tracking coverage. I'll keep things simple and explain what you're seeing along the way so you can follow confidently. First, open your Monday.com homepage. This is your central hub, and you should see your workspaces and boards on the left. We'll create a brand new board from here. Look along the workspace panel for a small plus icon. This plus sign is your shortcut to creating something new in Monday.com. When you find it, go ahead and click it. A quick menu will appear showing different item types you can create. Now, hover your mouse over the board option. Don't click yet, just hover. You'll notice that Monday.com highlights the board choice and may reveal additional ways to start a board. Since we want a solid starting point, we'll use a pre-built setup rather than building from scratch. Click Start with Template. This opens the Template Center where Monday.com offers a wide variety of ready-to-use boards. Using a template saves time and ensures your structure is clean, consistent, and easy to maintain. In the Template Center, use the search field and type Work Schedule. Searching keeps things focused and brings up templates specifically designed for scheduling and shift planning, so you don't have to sift through unrelated options. When you see the work schedule template appear, click on it. You'll be taken to a preview page that shows what the board looks like, including the kinds of columns and groups it includes. Take a moment to scan the preview so you know how tasks, shifts, dates, and owners are organized. Next, click Use Template. Monday.com will add this board to your workspace with the structure shown in the preview. This gives you a working schedule board immediately with the right columns and groups already in place, so you can start plugging in your team members, dates, and shift details without building anything from scratch. That's it. You've created a work schedule board using a Monday.com template. From here, you can customize column names, adjust groups to match your time periods, and filter or sort to check coverage. Morning versus evening shifts, weekdays versus weekends, and more. If you ever need to repeat the process for another team, simply use the same steps and you'll have a consistent professional scheduling setup every time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you build clear, reliable schedules faster in Monday.com.